Log in. Log in.
To access your computer or system. To access your computer or system.
Check emails. Check emails.
Reading or responding to messages in your inbox. Reading or responding to messages in your inbox.
Attend a meeting. Attend a meeting.
Participating in a scheduled discussion with colleagues. Participating in a scheduled discussion with colleagues.
Take notes. Take notes.
Writing down important information during a meeting. Writing down important information during a meeting.
Draft a report. Draft a report.
Preparing a written document for review. Preparing a written document for review.
Answer a call. Answer a call.
Responding to phone calls. Responding to phone calls.
Schedule an appointment. Schedule an appointment.
Setting a time for a meeting or task. Setting a time for a meeting or task.
Prepare a presentation. Prepare a presentation.
Creating slides or materials for a presentation. Creating slides or materials for a presentation.
Submit documents. Submit documents.
Sending paperwork or files to someone. Sending paperwork or files to someone.
Organize files. Organize files.
Arranging digital or physical files in order. Arranging digital or physical files in order. Subscribe.
Press bell icon.